Keistoege logoiwek choton kokakomwa kibagengeit nebo Ktda kole mayoni walutietab ng'atutiet nelel nemiten taitab bunge nebo borora netokyingei kewal ng'atutiet chebo mung'aret nebo chaik noton ko Tea Amendment Bill 2023. Kong'ololi kangoitita taitab kamiti noton nebo kabatisiet en bunge nebo borora komwa nebo ng'echeret en Ktda Chege Kirundi kole mayoni kewal kebeberta nebo 21 nebo kechuchuch koitetab membaek chebo board agoi mut ole kates komwa ichek kole mayoni auction counties.
For effective representation, we are proposing that we add 4 more, so they become 6 in that board. That to us will be effective representation to us. Moving over to section 22, we are proposing that this section be deleted in total. This section limits our directorship to 5. Mr. Chairman, each of these factories have a turnover between 1.5 billion to over 2 billion. And this is public money in that we represent factories with 6,000, 8,000, 9,000 shareholders. The representation is therefore critical. The sector Act, as it now has 6 members elected, and we want this section to be deleted to allow the memorandum and articles of association under the Companies Act take over the governance of directors. This limitation to us is not proper, is not within the governance, and the responsibility that is required for each of the factories. The money to be disregarded, Mr. Chairman, we feel should remain the way it is, 6 representations, not 5 elected, plus what the articles would provide, and they have provided. We feel that that limitation is not good. Moving to section 11 of the Principal Act, we feel this section should also be deleted because it creates bottlenecks. There will be delay in exportation of the tea.
En kasaratan ko kwangdoi nebo ng'echeret en committee inoton nebo kabatisiet Brighton Yegona inego MP nebo Kanoin Amoneya asimamache kibagengeit noton nebo Ktda keyat auctions en counties chemine chaik en mwae kole ng'atutienoton kowendi kotoreti kabatik chebo chaik kitam konyoru beit nemiten ng'wony nebo chaik. Logoiwek kikarop eun MP nekikitoror Sabina Chege.
Make a presentation on the same and including the county levies, because we were at Kisii sometimes back, and I think Kisii County has imposed a levy on something. We were going around when the tea bonuses from the west of Rift were so low, and we got to know that there was some other levies apart from the ones that are stipulated that the county governments now are levying on tea processing or something.
It's I think Chair, you're referring to. I think Chair, you're referring to the cess that
yes,
the cess that county government had imposed on tea manufacturers, and I know there's a case that has just been determined at the High Court against the county government of Kiambu. I think this refers to, I know Muga is well versed with that matter. The chairman of Ktda is also an expert in tea issues. And it was levied apparently to help them fix the connecting roads, the access roads. And the companies felt that the county governments were not doing them justice. Because you see, if you go to a county like Kiambu, there's only a small section of the county that grows tea. So when this money is for the access of tea, when it goes to the county government and it gets into their consolidated fund or the county revenue, or CRF, the county revenue fund, then you have no way of saying that this is the money that is supposed to go to these particular areas. And therefore the tea factories felt that it is important for that money to be left, that they don't pay, so that they fix the roads that they feel are important to them.
Apart from what proceeds that come from the farmers, from selling tea directly, the proceeds that you get from these companies, that are part of the KTD, what you make from these companies, how do you compensate that to the farmers? How do the farmers benefit?